well, an idiot in a sports car. Yeah, I'm cold. I just thought, oh, it would be a nice bracing drive. I won't wear my hat and the thermals underneath. And I'm an idiot because it's, well, 4:30 in the morning and I'm cold. So, to run you through quickly what's been going on, I had a small collision in the Smart Roadster. But yeah, everyone's fine and the car is getting fixed by myself, unfortunately. But I will make some videos about that. The MG Midget is coming over all Leylandy again, and well, it's done 0 miles and had 2 breakdowns. So currently my only usable vehicle is a Westfield. Which is interesting. Given that this is my only working car, it would be very sensible to treat it with care. But lots of people have been asking, how quick does your car go from 0 to 60? So I downloaded an app on my phone this morning, and we're going to go and find out, because I'm an idiot. A big idiot who's cold. Now, because it's cold, there's not much grip from the back, so it's probably not going to give its best times. Yeah, it's probably going to be like 0 to 60, 6. I'm hoping for under 6 in this weather. Oh, I'm really, really cold now. I'm gonna die of like all of the diseases. So what I'm hoping for is to get caught at a red light up here. So I've got a nice wide dual carriageway and a sensible time to do a 0 to 60 run. no car that is that exciting down small country roads, apart from a more powerful one of these. A more powerful 7S car, or maybe an Aerial Atom. But other than that, there is nothing that is that mind-bogglingly exciting down a road like this. Well, not like this, this is through a village and it's 30 miles an hour now, which I was doing actually. I keep on forgetting the speedos out a bit. Yeah, it's just insane. It's so engaging. Like, everything about the road is told to you. Oh, I need to know how quickly we went 0 to 60. Okay, I've never done drag racing before, so you can see I didn't get the car hooked up very well. Sorry.